Today we are going to be going over our VABO 80 series device. First, as you can see in the top right corner, we have our connector. Just below it we have our charging LED indicator, our power button that also doubles as a back button, our 4.4-inch touchscreen, our USB connectors, printer that comes with all of our standard devices, our high voltage cable, which as a side note, you completely push in before you screw in the cable here. Please remember that. We have our return and ground. Our ground is for extra safety, and our return is so that our high voltage comes back to the device. Our high voltage on indicator to show that it is on and currently testing, and our test button. So as we will indicate later, we have a two-fold testing system where you click test for the device, and then you hold and press test, and whenever you take it off, the test stops. If you do not want it to stop, you continue to hold down the test button until the test is complete. As you can see here, we have our testing equipment attached to our divider to perform the test today. As you can see here, please click VABO test to enter in the test information. Here you can perform a quick test from settings given in the test settings in the main menu, but we will not be focusing on that. Instead, we will be focusing on the main settings. Here for test voltage, you can select test voltages between 10 and 80 kilovolts. For this test, we will be conducting it at 80 kilovolts. We have our current threshold that we can change from 100, 200, or 300 microamps. And then we have our test duration from between 5 seconds and 120 seconds. For the purposes of this test, we will be conducting it for 5 seconds. Once you are done changing your options, please select test. And here you can see the ground and the return are highlighted. This indicates that the ground and the return are both attached and are properly connected to the device. If they are not, they show that they are disconnected here. Here you can see the test voltage and threshold current, and you can see all of the options for the device here that indicates the test. And here you can see the indication for the time. We indicated 5 seconds, so that will be the duration of the test and how long you will hold down the button. Please select test. And you are done. The test is completed. After it is discharging, it will prepare the results. And from here, you can click save or print, enter in your information here, or print it. Select OK. Here you can see our thermal print. And here's your information.